My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Gyjeb, Gyjeb. So in this video, you will find out why exactly it is called like that and what it does with your files. Actually, ransomware is a special type of malware that encrypts your documentation and then adds a special extension to the files that have been modified by the ransomware. So I'll demonstrate to you what happens after the files are encrypted. Currently, I can open my files without troubles. I can now open pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But this is what happens after the ransomware starts its malicious performance. It immediately encrypts your data and then adds a special extension and tells that you need to pay the special ransom to get your files decrypted. Some people think that removing the extension would decrypt the file, but this does not decrypt the file. The extension is called Gyjeb, Gyjeb, and there is some other random information after the main file extension, but the main extension that is related to the ransomware is called Gyjeb or Gyjeb. Then the ransomware gives you this scary notice. It's called How to Decrypt, and it says that you need to pay this special ransom to get your files restored. On the other hand, as I said, paying the ransom does not give you any guarantee that you would get your files recovered. So we strongly advise that you do not pay the ransom. What you could do is to check the task manager and look for any suspicious processes with very long names. If you find them, it's a good idea to end the task to stop any further file encryption. Then we recommend you to choose the program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It also functions as anti-ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and then after you install the application, start it, and Combo Cleaner will help you very well to remove this Gyjeb ransomware, to delete it effectively with the premium version of the program, and to get your files protected from being encrypted in the future. Once you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected, or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threats are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process, because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer. So you may remove each specific threat manually, one threat at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threats automatically.